What's up, Pupper do? Oh, what's up, Pupper? Oh my goodness, it's a wiener dog. Oh. What is up, YouTube? Scrammy here, coming at you with another extreme test for the Sonim XP8. They're calling for a nice snowstorm to come through today, around a foot or more of snow. So we're going to take our handy XP8 here. We're going to take it out. We're going to put it out there in the snow. And we're going to see what happens. We're going to let the snow just fall on it. Continue to fall on it. It's windy. It's nasty. They don't want us driving around. But still going to drive around because you ain't going to tell me what to do. Anyway, the Sonim's going to go out there in the cold, in the wind, and in the snow. And we're going to see just what happens. Alright guys, we're out here. We got the Sonim. The weather is absolutely terrible. I don't know if the video camera's picking this up or if you're even hearing me. But yeah, it's crappy and it's about to get a whole lot worse. So we're going to plant the Sonim here. And we're going to keep checking on. As you can see, it is booting up. See if I can get it to load up so you can see it in this awesome weather. Yep, Sonim's good to go. So we're going to plant this puppy and go from there. Alright, so I decided I was going to put it right next to my recycle bin here, because that way I know where it is when the snow comes down. So as you can see, we got a full battery. It's really freezing out here, so we're just going to set this puppy down in the snow and see what happens as time goes by. Here we are, about an hour in, and you can see the phone still there. Let me see if I can clean it off a little bit here. See a little bit of the screen. Okay, now see if I can push the power button, if I can find her here. Look at that. Still going, still good. We'll check back in just a little bit. I think this phone's gonna disappear soon, guys. It's getting real crappy out here. Gonna be an all-nighter, I think. Alright guys, so we just checked the phone. Everything seems to be still working, and I can still see it. I don't think it's gonna be uncovered for too long though. The weather's getting real bad. Gonna find out what happens here. A couple hours gonna go by. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright guys, we're about to check this phone again. It's been a couple hours now, over 2 hours. This phone appears to be completely covered in snow now. It's really nasty out here. Temperature's really dropping. Gonna probably be the last time to go out here before it's nighttime. Maybe I'll get out one more time. But yeah, we're gonna check it out and see what happens and see where we're going from here. Yep, the phone is gone. It's snowing like crazy, so I believe it's right here somewhere. Oh, okay. I think I found it. I found a screen. Now let's see if I can find the button to turn it on. Anything? Let's see. Can't see it. Come on. Oh, there it is. There she is. Still going. Little covered in snow. Getting real crap out here. Yeah, buddy. We're going to keep on going and see what happens. Alright guys, now that the Sonim's still out there freezing away, doing its thing, and getting covered in snow, before I go out there and start shoveling, just wanted to say thanks for watching the videos. Hope you like what you see. I've had a few people come to me asking me about camera tricks for the XP8, and I don't have the greatest news when it comes to that. The camera definitely isn't the best. It's not terrible, but you're not going to get Samsung Note 10 or iPhone style photos with the XP8. It's not saying it's terrible, but the only thing that I can say that maybe make the photos go faster is touching on the screen and having it already zoomed in to where you want it to be, or aperture locked, and then you can take pictures faster. But it's not really a powerhouse when it comes to cameras, so I just wanted to throw that out there to let you guys know. I had a few questions, so my answers are, you're not really going to get great photos with it. But again, that's not what it's really for. So just wanted to give you that answer, throw that out there. Any other questions, comments, feel free to ask me and let me know. I'll respond to them as soon as I can. Alright, quick update on the road situation here. You can see where I shoveled and the road starts. Definitely deteriorated, definitely more slippery than it was earlier, but yeah, let's see what the Sonim does. Alright guys, we're out here again. It's now past 7 o'clock. I brought a light out so we could see a little bit better. I don't see the Sonim, but I have a general idea. I'm just gonna poke around for it. It's getting a little deeper than I thought. Where could it be? Oh boy. Oh, I found it. At least I think I did. Yep, here we go. I see a phone. See if it's still on. Look at that. It is still working. Get rid of these freaking numbers here. Yep. It is definitely still going. So we got plenty of life left in this bad boy. This test might be going through overnight, but this Sonim is pretty friggin' resilient. Cover it back up a little bit with some snow, but it is damn cold out. It's down to about 20-ish outside, and the snow just keeps falling. So we'll continue testing, and the snow just keeps coming on down, guys. It's getting real cold, real snowy, but one thing's for sure, looks pretty cool outside. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I had a few people ask me if I recommend the Sonim XP8 for themselves, and I would say I would recommend the device. That being said, you're not getting super flagship specs, so don't expect to go from a really high-end smartphone to that phone and then assume it's going to be exactly the same. Personally, everyday use, I don't really notice the difference because I'm not multitasking doing 20 things at once. So in that aspect, I think it's a great phone. I don't have any issues with it. If you're looking for a good all-around phone, then it's definitely a solid device. Plus the fact that it's almost impossible to break, and with a 3-year warranty, unconditional, I mean, to me, that's a win-win. So if you're in the market for a decent mid-range phone, but you want something that's never going to break, even if you beat the crap out of it, then the Sonim XP8 is the way to go. Alright guys, went out, shoveled again, still coming down. Got my light ready. Time to dig out this Sonim here. Okay, here we go with the awkward prodding. Oh, found it easy this time. Here it is. Woo! There she is. Maybe? Oh, that is cold. That is cold. Alright. Let's see if I can get the screen uncovered and hit the power button. Oh, I saw something. Look at that. We still got life. Phone's still good. Trying to see if I can get a battery percentage. If you can see that, it still says 96%. So, this ridiculous cold and all the snow doesn't seem to be affecting it at all. I literally had to shovel paths for my wiener dog because, you know, she's a low rider. We'll give this a little more time here. But yeah, this phone, like I said before, It's one tough cookie. Alright guys, another hour has passed. Snow's really starting to pile up now. I think this is going to be our last check for the Sonim here. As soon as I dig it out and we'll see what we got. I do believe it was somewhere in here. Ooh, it's so cold. We got a wind chill. We're hovering right about 0. And it's only about 20-ish, maybe less degrees out. This is freezing. Where is my Sonim? Oh, here we go. Took it out. Okay. Wipe it off. Let's see. Let's see. Look at that. Still 94% battery. I can honestly say I don't think that the cold is doing jack crap to this phone. So I'm going to bring it in real quick. Try to warm up because I'm freezing. And so is this phone. And we'll give it a closer look. And go from there. Alright guys, here we go. We got the Sonim here. There's still a little bit of ice on it from being outside in the cold for so long. It is absolutely freezing out there. The phone survived with no issues at all. Everything seems to be working. All the apps are booting up. Everything's good. This phone is extreme. It'll stand up to any extreme environment. You could, if you want to go out and roll in the snow, you could do that. Throw some snowballs with it. Put it inside of a snowball and make it really big and throw it and mortally wound somebody. Hey, if that's your deal, this is the phone for you. Or if you just work in extreme environments, this phone is going to live. It didn't even hardly affect the battery at all. And it is absolutely frigid outside. So that proves right there that this phone is one hell of a phone. It's tough as hell. Works great. Definitely a phone for you if you need to do something crazy. This is the phone. Till the next time.